What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about NMR Numeraire, which has pumped up nearly 90% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at $20.50. So where is this crypto heading to next? Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to hit around $25, or is it going to drop back down in value, is what we're going to be going through in today's video, and essentially looking at both buyers and sellers point of view. Is it time to buy right now? Have we missed the boat? Or if you are on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming days, weeks, and so on? And also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high and how low can Numenaire go? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and as you can see, the market is down just about 0.3%, and we do have Numenaire as the top gainer in the last 24 hours. As you guys can see, by far it has pumped up of nearly 90% in value. Now, moving on to the actual chart here, we're zooming into the hourly chart. We can see it has pumped up just about 7% in the last hour itself. Over the last day, 89%, over the week, 80%, and over the month, just about 54%. Most of the month, it was literally flat out trading at $12, took a little dip here down to $11, but most of the pump did come from the last, I would say, about 12 hours. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a crazy number, nearly 9,000%, making it $234 million in trading, which is a huge increase, guys. Again, the only reason why it's gone up so much is because it's the top gainer by far in the last 24 hours. So it's getting a lot more attention, a lot more hype around it, meaning more and more people are looking into the project and they're actually trading it, meaning there's a lot more buyers and sellers in the last 24 hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So zooming into the daily chart, we've got the purple line at the top here giving us the average value of Numenaire, which is the average line here, which is the SMA indicator, which is at $12.29. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at $20.25, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from Numenaire over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Numenaire to have dropped back down in value to around $16 to $17 is where I'm expecting Numenaire to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow. Yes, it's pumped up so much, but it's overvalued at the moment. It's only right that it comes back down in value. However, that doesn't mean it's going to start dropping right now. Of course not. It's likely to pump up a little bit higher to about $22, $23 or even $24 approximately before it slowly starts to drop back down to around $16 by in the early hours of tomorrow morning. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking very bullish, very positive, guys. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards. However, they are looking way too steep, guys. The only reason it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place, meaning it's not realistic as it's only basing it off the last approximately 12 hours. So what I'm expecting from Numenaire over the next week or so, so let's say towards the end of next week, is again an overall drop in value, and by the end of next week Numenaire should be trading around the $12 mark, back to where it was trading about a couple of days ago. So yes, more drops in value are expected over the next couple of days. However, that doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red days. We may see the odd green day here and there in between, but the red days are very likely to overtake the green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from Numenaire over the next week or so. So yeah, towards the end of next week, do expect an overall drop in value. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect, guys? We've got the blue and the orange line once again looking very bullish, very positive, and very steep as well, meaning yes, it's not realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, so late October to early November 2023, I'm expecting Numenaire to again have dropped in value, but not too crazy, potentially dropping around the $15 to $16 mark is where I'm expecting Numenaire to be trading at by end of October and early November 2023. So guys, yes, we are expecting an overall drop in value, but it is likely to drop down to $12 over the next week or so, and potentially slowly and steadily increase in value to around $15 to $16 in October, November time. But yeah, no major pumps or crashes are expected from Numenaire at the moment, and if there is, I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, this is my take and my predictions on Numenaire, guys. What I'm going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone at the moment, and yes, we did just about hit the green zone earlier today, but as you guys can clearly see, it did resist and drop back down into the red zone. So yeah, it is unlikely it will go above this value here, which is $22.77, meaning into the green zone. And if it does, it very likely is going to drop back down into the red zone. So I'm expecting Numenaire to more or less just stay in the red zone for the rest of the year. I'm not expecting it to, you know, get out of the red zone and head into the green zone. That would potentially be early next year, but at the moment the red zone it is. But as long as we slowly and steadily move in a positive direction, we should be good to go. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Numenaire. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.